Happy Saturday! Oh my gosh, you guys. The sun has finally come out. It is now sunny. So I'm hoping tomorrow I can ditch the sweatshirt and we're back to summer because this like 50 degrees is not cool. Speaking of summer, I have got in this box the Clinique summer gift set. This is from Clinique.com. And oh my gosh, so I really wanted to get just some of the foaming face wash because my daughter loves that formula. For some reason, that's like her favorite formula, which is funny because I used the Clinique when I was her age. But they make it so tempting because they're like, oh, if you just spend like $10 more, you're going to get something else. So I spent the $75 and it was a really good deal. So I'm going to show what's in this box. Gonna unbox everything right here. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Purple tote bags, you guys. So this is what I got. So this is cute. Look at how cute this is for summer. So if you spend $45, you're going to get this bag full of stuff. And then there's like other stuff I got. Oh my gosh, you have to go to Clinique.com because they got a lot of really good deals. So I think if you spend $75, I got this tote bag. I'm going to have to show you guys the tote bag. And then, so really, okay, let's back up for a minute because this is crazy. So really what I bought, what I really wanted to buy were these two face washes. So I thought I'd buy two just to get up to the point where I could get the free gift. So my actual purchases were the All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleansing Mousse. Like I said, this is my daughter's favorite formula, so I wanted to get some of that. So then, what the heck is even in all this? So I bought two of those, and then they had this summer gift set for $35, which is this. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so much. Oh, this is kind of neat. This is a mesh bag. This is going to be a good beach bag. So for $35, you got this cool mesh bag and everything inside the bag. We're gonna find out what's inside the bag, but first I'm just gonna throw the bag over here. Get this out of the way. I got too much stuff here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get my box out of the way. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is called the Sunny Day Staples. This was $35. I think these were like $22 each. I did spend like right around $75, and then I got all this other free stuff. So the Sunny Day Staples, yes, it was $35, and look at all the stuff I got. It's $151 value. I'm like, okay, well, might as well get all this stuff. So here's what I got. I got a full size, I think this is full size, the Moisture Surge Face Spray, Thirsty Skin Relief. Check this out. I got one of those. I'll use that in the summer. Those are nice. I got the, what else did I get? Holy moly. This is actually really cool. Check this out. So I got one of the, what is this? This is the, it's a triple hydrate lip balm tint in shade Akaya. Oh, I'm just going to stick this in my purse. That's actually kind of cute. Look at that. It's like a lip balm for summer, full size though. And then I also got a full size, this is the High Impact Waterproof Mascara. I really like this formula. I mean, that alone would have been like, what, $23, $24. So that was pretty cool. Mascara, I go through so much mascara. I literally keep them for like 2 weeks and then I toss them. I usually alternate. The two formulas that I found that really work for me are the Clinique and the Avon. I actually had one of these on my desk because I just did a video today. I love the Avon First Lash Mascara. So Clinique and Avon are like my mascara go-tos. I find that those two just do so much good for my lashes. I never have any problems with allergies because sometimes I get nervous about using other mascara that I'm going to have like an allergy issue. But for some reason, those two I really like. And I kind of go back and forth between them. Then I got, check it out, I got this cool bronzer. Oh my gosh, look at this. Full-size bronzer. This is the Sun-Kissed. And this was all just $35 in this bag. Oh my gosh, this is really hard to open now. Okay, oh, there we go. There's a little, okay, I don't want to blind anyone. Look at that. Full-size bronzer for summer. That's really cool. And then, it's really funny. The reason I bought this to begin with is because the other product that my daughter likes is the 7-Day Scrub Cream. This is the Rinse Off formula. So I'm like, why would I just buy this for like, I think these are like 20-something, when for 35 I got all of this stuff. I mean, this was literally, I got all 5 pieces plus the tote bag. So that was a really good deal from Clinique. I was like, boy, Clinique's really pushing out the deals. Okay, then there's more. This is the stuff then I got completely for free. I'm like, what the what? So I actually like my yellow bag that I got in the spring. So now I have a purple one. And I really like the inside of this. Look how pretty this is. My yellow one's a little bright, so I think I'm going to switch off to purple now for summer. And then I got this little bag to go inside. And everything in this bag was totally free. How pretty is this? And they match. I'm like, this is going to be like my summer set, I think, just for like the beach or the pool. So let me show you what's in here. There's another bag. Bags everywhere. So I did get the Clinique. I actually like this. This is the moisturizing BB gel. That is not bad. I got another mascara. I got the mini high impact mascara. I'll give one of these to my mom. I also got a tiny, this is the foaming rinse off cleanser. So my daughter could use that like in a travel bag. And then I also got a lot of stuff. I got a mini, I don't even know what the heck this is. It's got little beads in it. I can't read this, you guys. Moisture Surge. I don't know. It's one of their Moisture Surge products. I can't read it, though. I got a full-size lipstick. It's actually really pretty. Look at that. Super pretty lipstick. This is the shade Plum Pop. And then I got an eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is too funny. I remember these eyeshadows from when I was a teenager. So check it out. It's one of the eyeshadows that pulls out, except when I was a teenager, these were silver. Do you remember that? And they had like either one, if you were really lucky, you got like 2 eyeshadows. I remember I had a purple one. It was about this big. And I swear that was like my go-to eyeshadow for like 3 years. I think I would use it and then until it was gone, like every little piece of it. And then I would be lucky enough that my mom would buy me a new one. But what's so funny, it's amazing the choices now that we have in makeup. And I think every woman, including myself, owns way too much makeup. And I actually don't mind. I really like the makeup. And like I said, I treat it as a consumable. So if it gets like gross or yucky, it gets tossed. And I do gift a lot, like from my beauty boxes, because you know me, I get a lot of stuff in my beauty boxes. But I like to show people, especially on my channel, a lot of different choices. But I think that's really neat that Clinique is doing this special, because the only 2 things that I actually bought, like I said, were the 2 rinse off foaming cleansers, and then I bought this $35 like little package. And let me just look, I want to make sure this is still online. I'll try, let me see if I can put the link below for you guys. So it's under special offers. If you go to Clinique.com and then you scroll down, it's called A Tote Full of Sunshine. Holy moly. And you get all of this stuff, and it's $151 value. And then you also get, like I said, the the other thing like this. I'm like, whoa. So I got lots of cool stuff from Clinique today. So I will put the link below. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll probably see you tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to do one more video tonight. It's already 6:30. Where has today gone? Who knows what Bath & Body Works will bring tomorrow? Bye-bye.